Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a hot topic for years, but it's also surrounded by misconceptions and myths. In this video, we're breaking down 10 common myths about AI and shedding light on the truth behind this transformative technology. Myth number 1, AI can think and feel like humans. Many people believe that AI can think, feel, or have consciousness, just like humans. The truth? AI is a tool that processes data and follows algorithms. While AI can mimic human behaviors, like responding in a conversational tone, it doesn't have self-awareness, emotions, or independent thought. It's essentially a very sophisticated program, not a person. Myth number 2, AI will steal all jobs. It's often said that AI will lead to mass unemployment, but the reality is more nuanced. While AI may replace certain repetitive or manual jobs, it also creates new opportunities in tech, healthcare, education, and other industries. History has shown that technological advancements often change the nature of work rather than eliminate it entirely. Myth number 3, AI is always smarter than humans. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, but it's not universally smarter than humans. It excels at specific tasks, like language translation or image recognition, but struggles with creativity, emotional intelligence, and decision-making in ambiguous situations. In fact, AI's abilities are only as good as the data and programming behind it. Myth number 4, AI is infallible. Because AI is built on complex algorithms, many assume it's error-proof. However, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is biased or incomplete, the AI's decisions can also be flawed. For instance, biased hiring algorithms or facial recognition inaccuracies highlight how imperfect AI can be. Myth number 5, AI will soon take over the world. This myth often comes from movies or science fiction. While AI is advancing rapidly, it's still far from achieving the level of autonomy and intelligence required for global domination. Current AI systems require constant human oversight and are designed to perform specific tasks, not to replace humanity. Myth number 6, AI is only for big tech companies. While big tech companies like Google and Amazon lead in AI development, AI is becoming more accessible to small businesses, startups, and individuals. Open-source tools, cloud computing, and affordable AI platforms allow companies of all sizes to implement AI in areas like marketing, customer service, and operations. Myth number 7, AI can predict the future. AI is excellent at identifying patterns and making predictions based on data, but it doesn't have a crystal ball. Its predictions are only as accurate as the data it analyzes, and it can't account for random events, human behavior, or unforeseen circumstances. Myth number 8, AI and automation are the same. AI and automation are often used interchangeably, but they're not the same thing. Automation refers to systems performing tasks based on pre-programmed rules, while AI involves systems that learn, adapt, and make decisions based on data. For example, an automated system might schedule emails, while AI analyzes the best time to send them based on user behavior. Myth number 9, AI is too complex for ordinary people to understand. While the technology behind AI can be complex, its applications are increasingly user-friendly. Tools like chatbots, voice assistants, and recommendation systems are examples of AI we use every day without needing to understand the underlying algorithms. AI literacy is becoming more accessible to the general public. Myth number 10, AI will replace human creativity. AI can generate music, art, and even write scripts, but it doesn't replace human creativity. Instead, it acts as a tool to enhance creativity. Artists, writers, and designers use AI to generate ideas, speed up workflows, and explore new possibilities. But the spark of human imagination remains essential. Artificial intelligence is an exciting and transformative technology, but it's essential to separate fact from fiction. By debunking these myths, we can have a clearer understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to work alongside us, transforming the way we live and work. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more myth-busting content. Have questions or thoughts about AI? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.